Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Wealthsimple has shaken things up with their cash app. Now, they used to have a promo that was on that would give 5% cash back over the weekend on food and drinks. Now myself, I'm not a big person to go out and dine out. I would rather take that money invested in my TFSA instead of spending money at a restaurant. So I never really took advantage of this, but I saw an email come through from Wealthsimple and they are now actually giving 1% cash back on every purchase used through the Cash App. So pretty handy actually, if you're thinking of making a purchase or using it for your day-to-day purchases, 1% cash back. Now, it's not as good as 5% cash back, obviously, but it is better than nothing. And best of all, when you have the Cash App, you can set up to use this cash back. You can either bring it back into your cash account after you've made the purchase, or you can set it up to automatically get transferred into one of your trade or crypto accounts. So for example, you can have it go into your personal trade account, your TFSA, and RRSP if you have it. Now be careful if you're having the cashback go into RRSP and a TFSA. You'll really want to keep an eye on your limits that you have available there, because if you max out something, you don't want to be dinged because your penalty will probably be more than what you're getting in cashback. So keep an eye on that one if you're putting it into a registered account. But you can also put it into your crypto account on Wealthsimple. So if you have a separate account where you invest in cryptocurrencies, this is a perfect way to kind of get extra little funds in there. And also too, if you're not invested in crypto and you're a little bit nervous, maybe use the cashback, because it's, cashback, it's kind of free. Maybe just to play around with that, because you can set that up to go to your crypto account. Just a quick video. If you aren't set up on the Cash App yet and you're already a Wealthsimple client, if you use my link in the description below, Wealthsimple will give you 10 bucks. They'll also give me 10 bucks. Helps me out, helps you out, and gives you some money to spend. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you all in the next video.